All right, guys, you're welcome to question 12 of the challenge. And before we even get started solving this problem, let me tell you, if you have any question that is bothering you on the JAMB, do not hesitate to put it down in the comment section. We're going to consider those questions there and make a video of it. So, guys, do not hesitate to put down the questions that are bothering you on the comment section. Okay, if it's something very difficult to type, you want to snap them and send it to my WhatsApp, check the description of this video channel and you'll see my WhatsApp contact. WhatsApp messages only, please. So we have another question here on logarithm and how do we go about the solution? Let's get started. We are given that log a to the n base b. And this time we're told that b is the same as a to the 1 over n. So I'm going to replace the b as a to the 1 over n. So that becomes log a to the n, then the b is a to the 1 over n. Now remember, we discussed some laws of logarithm earlier. If you have log a, then you have a base b, and the base b has the power m. This is going to be like 1 over m log a base b. So what do you observe? This power of the b can fall behind to become 1 over m. So when it's just a whole number, when it falls behind, it becomes a fraction. And when it's a fraction, when it falls behind, it becomes a whole number. Of course, you know the simple arithmetic. If I have log a to the base b, then all to the power 1 over m. Now, when it falls behind, it becomes what? M log a to the b. Hope you get it. This is just simple arithmetic, right? So if I do now have them all together as, let's say, log a to the n, and we have base b to the m, this is going to be like what? The n falls behind, we have n, and the base, because it's just a whole number, when it falls behind, becomes a fraction, then we have log a base b. So let's come back to this problem. Now you see we have the input has the power n, and that's when it falls behind, you have n. And now the base here has the power 1 over n is a fraction. When it falls behind, becomes a whole number, that is another n. Then we now have log a base a. I hope you get it. Yeah. So log a base a is just 1. A to the what will give you 1. A, that is a to the, log of any number to its base. Let's say log 5 base 5 is going to be 1. Log 6 base 6 is going to be 1. Why? 5 raised to the power what will give us 5. 5 raised to the power 1 will give us 5. So that is the idea. So this whole guy will just become 1. So we have n times 1. And that's going to give us n squared. So the answer should be A. So guys, you don't need to make the question scare you off. Just take a deep breath, and I'm sure all of these things will be helpful. So guys, this is the end of the class, and I'll see you in the next video challenge, which is question 3. Thank you very much for watching, and thank you for sharing to other learners. I'll see you, and God bless you. Bye-bye.